guys,
You can sit in my bed.
I downloaded a video. I updated a video on me making the slime with this. And it was too long because I was only supposed to go up to 15 and it was at 17 by the time I was out. So I didn't get to use it. But now I'm not going to be making it. I'm just going to be showing you it and showing it. So as I was saying, so here is the slime. Guys, this is slime. I had to speak to my mom because she was on the phone. So I spoke to my mom. I'm on vacation right now. This is a slime that you can make with this slime activator. I put glitter in it, if you can now. Put some glitter. I put blue, purple, and silver glitter. Can't really see the colors, but you can see dots. Yeah, so time for the pumpkins. Say the pumpkins. Okay. The pumpkins. Just there. And it doesn't stick at all. So let's do the stretch test. Wow. It's very thick. Very thick. But guys, I'm going to start making more so I can have a slime collection. And there'll be different colors like purple, pink, blue, green. Yeah. So, yeah. I think just need some baking. It's baking. Bacon. So I'm going to be stealing a piece, guys. I'm going to steal this piece. Bacon. Their bacon always be crispy. This is pork bacon. Okay. But they don't always be crispy. It bounces a little. So that's the slime. And then this is slime activator. And remember, don't mistake this. But keep this somewhere safe. Because I don't think that you want anybody thinking that this is water because it looks like water. I don't want anybody thinking like if you try to make this, I don't want anybody thinking that it's water or water. And I mean, it's not room temperature water when they drink it. And this has like baking soda, water, and eye drops in it, which is boric acid. But the right ingredient for, I'm going to say this before I end this video, the right ingredients for this slime activator that really works, that I made this slime with, a half a teaspoon of baking soda. It would be like wrong cabinet. Half a teaspoon would be like less than this. Would be less than this spoon. So a half a teaspoon would be half a teaspoon would be this much. That much. To make this flubber. This is flubber with this slime activator, and you can put any food dye or make this like, yeah, or you can put any glitter. So let me tell you, if you put a lot of eye drops, like if you have like this big thing of eye drops, like this big, not that wide, but like, that big, don't, because the more eye drops, the less sticky. Like, the more eye drops, if you put a lot of eye drops, it's just like putting a lot of liquid starch or putting a lot of borax. Putting a lot of borax, your slime won't stick together. It won't stick together. I think you want it to stick together. Yeah, I think you want it to stick together. Just don't take this way. I think you want it to stick together. And you can put salt in it, but right now, it smells like glue. Put salt in it, bubblegum salt, any salt you want. And so guys, that's today's video with slime activator. And subscribe if it worked and if you liked it. Comment about what happened and what didn't happen. And like if you don't want to, like, if you think it's a good one, please, really please, because I have no subscribers and I spend a lot of time making a lot of videos. I have like 20 videos already. This is about to be 21 and I still have no subscribers, guys. Please, I'm begging you. We're gonna try to get 10 subscribers. Please become part of the slime team. Please.